Welcome to AppStarPlus. In this video, I will show you how to fix apps crashing on Android. In my case, Google Play keeps stopping. So let's fix app crashing problem on Android. To do that, first restart the phone and see if it fixes the issue. If not, make sure the device is up to date. To do that, go to Settings, scroll down, select Software Update. Select Download and Install. Make sure your phone is at least 50% charged before updating the software. After updating the software, see if problem is fixed. If not, then go to the app that crashes often. In my case, Google Play Store. So I'll go to Settings, select Apps, search Google Play Store, select Google Play Store, and here I'll select Storage. From here, select Clear Cache, and then select Clear Data. After that, restart the phone. It should fix the problem. If it still does not fix the issue, then as a last try, consider taking full data backup, reset the phone to start as fresh. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.